So
Sure.
two questions there. So conflicts of interest, what can you expand on that a little bit? What if a family member lives in the building? Does the same rule apply that you would have to also excuse yourself from that meeting? Because it's how does that how do you handle?
Yes. So anything that would attach itself to you or that you might be directly involved in. So if your mother also lives in the building but in a different apartment, it would stand to reason that you might have an opinion on what happens to your mother's apartment. And so you would recuse yourself from that too. It's kind of like when you think about doctors not being able to treat their own family or friends because of their emotional connection to the patient. Same kind of thing applies here. You're not going to vote or otherwise be involved in a discussion that lends itself to your own personal issues or opinions.
What
I can
about
provide another example.
Great.
It would be if you have a board member who's a real estate broker and he has been hired by their shareholder or
Yes,
an owner
it's a
in the
great one.
building to market their apartment for sale, that board member should absolutely recuse themselves. There actually has to be reporting per what is it, New York City governance laws noting that this board member recused themselves and how much money they may have made from the actual transaction. They should not be voting on that.
There are even buildings that require that brokers cannot run for the board because of that inherent conflict. So, if you are fortunate to serve on your board, you cannot participate where your deals are involved.